Hello guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Thank you for being on board. This video is going to be very short. There is no need to play around the bush here. Now, you can trade any currency pair with this trading system with gold. As you can see here, I set the gold on 1 hour. You can put on 15-minute time frame. But I am not very particular about gold or not. No, not at all. I am particular of trading binary option. I use binary.com to execute these trades. The reason being that in binary.com, I set my time to 15 minutes. The, if you are trading binary option, which is currency pair, you need to open multiple trades. I mean, multiple trading pairs because this indicator uses support and resistance to generate signal. What do I mean? This trading system is not really designed for support and resistance, but when the arrow pops up at the support, as you can see, that is when you will trade. If it doesn't pop up at the support, you don't trade. If it doesn't pop up at resistance, you don't trade. And you should know the support and resistance. Look, do you see that here? It is 3 minutes expiration. I mean, three to four candles expiration, which means 5 minute time frame, 15 minutes to 20-minute expiration is what I use. 5 minute time frame, 15 to 20-minute expiration is what I use. If you want to use 1 minute time frame, I think it should be 5 minute expiration, but I strictly stay on 5 minute time frame. This is time 5 minute time frame, and I only take the signal whenever it is on support and resistance, and I use three candle. The joy of this trading system is that this pop up that you are seeing here, all the signals they pop up before the end of this candle, which means when this candle closes at the opening of this candle, you open your trade in 3 minutes expiration. And as you can see, it was a clear one. One, two, three. Even if it was before, it was one. I'm not just talking on hypothetically. You saw the result yourself. This here, one, two, three. Okay. So this indicator does not repaint. It does not lag. Should in case it pops up and the signal and the trend goes against it, it will not reprint. Even when you change your currency pair or you change your time frame or you refresh, it does not reprint. That does not mean it is 100%, no, because you cannot predict the markets every time. But let the odd be on our side. Look at this trade, one, two, three. Look at another trade there, one, two, three. Look at this trade there. One, two, three. Okay. Look at another trade there. One, two, three. It's as simple as ABC. So I want you to go out there and wreck your broker. Wreck what? Your broker. So that is the more reason why you should have a multiple stuff so that you'll be able to have more signals. You will trade what you want to trade and leave the market in time. Don't dwell in the market. Don't spend your time in the market. Have them trade and leave the market. It's a new day, guys. So money must be made. I will be making live video as market opens later. Today is Sunday, the 7th February 2021. I will be making live video as I trade. I will be making live video and you will be seeing the videos and the results. You can see. Ensure that the pop-up happens on the support and resistance area. It's very important. So you got to have patience. Okay, it's very accurate, 80% most of the time ITM. You've seen the results so far. So welcome on board. Welcome to the Boss Binary Trading System. I remain yours, Odeyemi Akinyemi, remain my humble self. Thank you and God bless you.